students, welcome back to again my YouTube channel. To the front of you again, I am going to tell of you one story. The front all of you that the story is this means everything is in your hand. How is everything in all of your hand? About of that I am going to tell. Because in this modern time, I am looking many students who is taking class with me. They are telling to me, sir, we have practiced to so much of English speaking, even if our speaking is not becoming fluent, our speaking is not improving. Why is not improving? All of you English speaking, about of that something good strategy I am going to share through this video. Please watch of this video till end, till where that video will be made by me. Don't miss in watching of that. If you watch this video till end, then really you will be understood of that how everything is in your hand. I am going to tell of you there are three boys, and three boys are very mischievous. And there is one scholar man. And a scholar man, he is knowing to every kinds of the question answer. If you will give up any kinds of the question, the front of that scholar man, just you will get answer through of that scholar man. And that scholar man was dominated in all over the places in the world. He was most popular person in the world. When three boys heard of that matter, means there is one scholar man in this world, and he is knowing every kinds of the question answer. If any question is given, the front of that scholar man, just the scholar man's answer of that given question. But which is coming here, three boys. These three boys were very mischievous, and also these boys were living in circle of defeating of someone people. So just three boys decided to defeat of that scholar man one day. And one boy thought, which kinds of the questions taking I shall have to go the front of that scholar man. After giving of that questions, just that scholar man will be defeated. Like this matter, first boy is thinking this time. Then just that first boy thought, if I shall catch up a bird in my hand, and if I shall be gone the front of that scholar man, and I shall ask, what is in my hand? Then just that scholar man will say, in my hand there is one bird. Then second student is creating one question more. If he will answer to me there is one bird in your hand, then just I shall ask, you tell to me which kinds of the bird is in my hand. Then third all, if he will tell of you there is a parrot, a starling, any kinds of the bird which will be counted by you, that bird name will be told by that scholar man. Even if you will be defeated, the saint will not be defeated, that scholar man will not be defeated. Then third boy is telling, in that place we should ask of that question, you tell to me which bird is in my hand, that word is alif whether that. If the scholar man will tell that word is alif, then what will you do? Then just third boy is telling, when the scholar man will say to me that word is alif, then just pressing the neck of that word I shall kill, and when the bird will be killed, then I will show up that scholar man, that dead body of that bird. Then the scholar man will be defeated. And if he will tell to me that is a dead bird, then I will show the front of that scholar man that alif bird, even if that scholar man will be defeated. Like this matter he thought, and he went the front of that scholar man and first asked him, what is in my hand? Just a scholar man is telling, there is one bird in your hand. Second boy asked, you tell to me that is which kinds of the bird is in my hand. Just a scholar man told that is parrot whether a starling, which kinds of the bird was caught by that boy. That bird name told by that scholar man. After that third asked, you tell to me that is alif or dad. That is alif or dad bird. Then the scholar man started to think of that. If I shall give the answer of this boy, then that is alif bird, then that bird is in the hand of that boy. Then just he will kill of that bird to pressing the neck of that bird, and he will show me the dead bird. I shall be defeated. And if I shall say him that is dead bird, then also he can show me to early bird, even if I shall be defeated. So just he took out one short answer, and a scholar made answer of that three boys, that is in our hand. Everything is in our hand. Just three boys told. It was to tell to me how is everything in our hand. Just the scholar man is telling as it was thought by that three boys. According that also a scholar man is answering, if I shall say of you or bird is dead, and if that bird will have alif, then also you can show me alif, then I shall be defeated. If that bird will have alif, and if I shall say that bird is alif, then also you can kill of that bird and you can show to me of that dead bird, even if I shall be defeated. That's why I am telling of you everything is in your hand. So my every viewer, I am telling all of you, really everything is in your hand. If you are wanting to improve our English, then also that is one you. And if you are not wanting to improve our English speaking, also that is everything one you. Whatever thing you have acquired in the life, let you see of that what things I have acquired. According that, every day you practice and improve of English speaking. I hope all of your English will be improved within few days practicing. If you practice few days, I say sure everybody, or English will run like of any train, as the train is reached on the track of that railroad. When that road, just the train start to fly it very fastly. According that, also all of your mind will start to run to very quickly, and all of your English will become to very excellence. Which strategy I have told of you throughout this video, please all of you follow, and you do not down of our luck, you do not down of our labor. If you are haggled the back of English speaking, also there is reason, because all of you are not living in exact of concentrate mind. That's why like this is haggled the front all of you, and you are not able to speak. So I am telling of you, when you start to talk of anything, at that time just to live in exact perfect mind and speak with very confidently, or confidence level will be developed. After that you will not be stuck to anywhere the back of speaking, the back of anything improving, because there is not in this world any kinds of the thing that is not like to improve. If you are unsuccess, also the back of that unsuccess there is reason. If you will know that, then really you will not want to live off for practice. I am going to tell of you one motivational गजल थ्रू ऑफ दिस वीडियो. असफलता एक चुनौती है, उसे स्वीकार करो. क्या कमी रह गई देखो और सुधार करो. बगैर मेहनत किए जजकार नहीं होती, और कोशिश करने वाले को कभी हार नहीं होती. बट यू डू नॉट थिंक अबाउट ऑफ और प्रैक्टिस मीन्स आई हैव बीन unsuccessful, then how to improve that things. You should not think like this, meter. Always all of us should think I still have to win from that things, which is very hard nut in all of us life. Okay, if you have liked this video, please you like, subscribe, and also writing comment in my comment box. You tell to me how did you feel after listening of that a story which I have told of you in this video. Okay, thanks again. I shall visit in my next video. For till then, bye bye.